Hey y'all. So I am in Kansas. Joy, joy. A friend had to get a battery for his Prius, and the only company that is near Columbia is there's one in Kansas and there's one in St. Louis, but he's already done business with the one in Kansas, so we're back in Kansas again so he can get a different battery. It's a big metal case, and it has a whole slew of batteries in it. Like a regular car has one battery, Prius has a whole slew of batteries that's in a long rectangular case. So that's what we're doing. It said it wasn't going to rain till tonight. Well, it rained earlier because, yeah. So that was interesting. But we got here safely. So if you ever want to know, some of you are single moms. One of my onliners is Nardos Mesfin, Nardose, Nardos Mesfin, Mesfin. And she's a single mom. She's a content creator. She used to be into real estate, and she was a bartender, and she was doing some other different types of jobs, and she kind of fell into content creating, and she's really really good at it. So that's what she does. And she's a single mom. Her son's name is Psalm, like a psalm in the Bible, Psalm, and he's adorable. He's 3 and he's adorable. But single mom, she goes through struggles. There's a lot of haters online because they got a beef with her because she's doing pretty well for herself. She put back money, she saved money, and she lives in a luxury apartment, and she's got a really nice car, and she's doing pretty well for herself. So there's a lot of haters spreading lies online, and she's a bad mother, and she did this and that, and she's just not that great, and she's, unfortunately that comes with being a content creator. Someone's going to hate your guts, especially if you're successful. And she's very successful. She's beautiful. She's got, she's physically fit. She works out. She knows how to cook. Everything she touches turns to gold pretty much, and that makes people mad. So aside from that, we just ignore the haters and keep it moving. She's a real ham. I think she's funny. Her son's adorable. And if you ever want to check her out, Nardos, which is a typical name in Ethiopia. She's Ethiopian. And her family of origin is in Colorado, and she lives in Atlanta. She may relocate to Colorado at some point. Brain went. Anyway, love you guys. Hope you're having a good day. Oh my God, it's hot out here already. Woo! This summer is not playing. Lord help us. Anyway, toasty. All right. Anyway, you guys take care. Much love. Be safe on the road. Okay? All right. Y'all take care. Bye.